Welcome back everyone. Today we are going to prepare a weight loss soup with mung bean sprouts, which are a good source of vitamins, minerals and antioxidants, which protect the body against cell damage and reduces the risk of heart diseases. Mung bean sprouts promote weight loss by suppressing hunger and raising fullness hormones. For this recipe, we'll need sprouts, spinach, chicken stock, some basil, ginger and garlic. So let's get started. We'll start by adding some oil to the pan, and when the oil is hot enough, add garlic. When the garlic changes its color to light golden, add the sprouts. It's always a good idea to rinse your sprouts properly and then cook thoroughly before eating. Mung bean sprouts are rich in fiber and reduces levels of unhealthy cholesterol and helps regulate the appetite and reduce food cravings. It's known for detoxifying properties and has anti-inflammatory benefits. Regular consumption of sprouts, when coupled with proper exercise, helps burn the belly fat. Then we'll add some basil. Basil helps protect the body tissues against free radical damage. Give it a mix, and then we'll add spinach. As you all know, spinach is packed with vitamins and minerals and contains dozens of different antioxidants that help protect against heart diseases. Also, vitamin K content in spinach help protect the bones. Cook it for 5 minutes and then we'll add salt and black pepper. Then add any stock of your choice, vegetable or chicken. I am adding chicken stock here, and let it boil for a few minutes for all the flavors to blend together. Our healthy weight loss soup is ready. Before serving, add some lemon juice to enhance the flavor, and adding lemon juice to spinach increases absorption of vital minerals. For more interesting weight loss recipes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.